There's the round pen. Nobody's been on it yet. Old Tiger is in a blue coat and Boris is the other one. All that noise is the storm. And that's Claymore. Claymore. I'll go down and see him. He's really upset. He's not a happy boy. That's where the storm is now. Oh, the sirens are going off again. Can you hear them now? The rain's slowed down a bit. Oh shit, it's straight above me. Neat. Okay, there's Claymore still. The sirens are still going off. There's a gum tree. Oh jeez, it's cold. Oh my god, my hands are frozen, they've gone all red. Oh, who's crying? Oh, there's some more horses. Who are they? Oh, it must be Bonnie and Nettie, maybe. Roro's gone to Ashburton. There's a good Claymore. Hey, Claymore. It's seriously, oh, it's actually about 20 to 5 in the afternoon. It's really dark. Ooh. Okay, I'm filming the neighbours. It's going away now, thank goodness for that. There's my little place in the corner over there, behind the blue truck. Oh, it's the rubbish. Not really. Okay, so I feel like there's snow going to come. I'm tucked under a gum tree, so I'm probably safer over here than I am under the pylon. I don't know. Nice little gum tree. Nothing.